back with another video, and if you want to see what I'm doing today, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright squad, yesterday I got this sewing table right here that I'm going to let you guys check out right here. It's kind of folded up right now. You can't see the full size of it right at the current time. But that is basically the sewing table that I got that I'm going to have down here at the shop. So I also have another one, and I also have this dude right here. This dude right here, he's a professional installer right back here. He's a professional installer. So if y'all need anything installed, y'all hit your girl up and I'll give you the contact information for the dude over there. Okay, so today what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting together this Best Choice Products mobile sewing desk or mobile sewing table. So that's what's in this box right here. So we're going to go ahead, put that thing together right there, let y'all check some of it out, and I'll let y'all know my thoughts on it at the end of the video. Y'all, this one got even more stuff, more small stuff than the one yesterday did. Y'all, look at this. Look at these little things right here. That's the instruction. Man, look at this manual. This is a thick manual. The other one, let me show y'all the other one. Here's the other one right here. It was like 4 pages. That's one. This was the other manual right here. Maybe 8 pages. That one over there like 13 to 15 pages or something. How many pages they got? 20? 12. 15 pages, y'all. So we're gonna get to work. Just like on the other video, we're not gonna be able to show y'all the whole thing, but we're gonna offer y'all some tips. Now this one don't seem like it's gonna be as bad as the other one. long did that take us? About an hour or less? Y'all, that one didn't take us that long. Check it out. I'm gonna let y'all see this one closed up first. I mean, it looks like just a little cabinet. Let me move all this stuff off of my repairman. I think he done quit on me because he ain't want to move them boxes or nothing. But look, that's what it's looking like right there. Turn around, spin around. Look at there. Then you got your storage space. Okay, so let me show y'all what it's gonna be looking like. You're gonna have to stay closed, thing. I ain't gonna pay the repairman. Alright, I guess that's how it's gonna be. Alright, so right here, this is what it looks like. Let me open it up. This is what it looks like right here. But then when you be like, I think I'm gonna sew something, you can open this bad boy up right here. Open this up. I like this one. I think I like this one better. And put that in that little peg. You're gonna reach in the peg thing to make sure it's secure and it won't move. You put it in that peg. And y'all watch this. Y'all watch this. Watch it, girl. Look at that. Got the sewing machine right here. Wait, put that mat down. You got the name brand mat right there for the sewing machine. Boom, right there. That's the setup right there. And I like this little setup. It's nice. That's my setup right there. This is going to be my home setup because I like this one a lot. I really wish I would have got 2 of those. Kind of wish I would have got 2 of those. But it's all good though. The other one will probably work out better for the shop because I have to have my sewing area open in order for me to have some leg room right here. And y'all look, the other thing I liked about it, you can store your machine right under here when you get done. Boom. Got that little area to hide your machine, and you don't have to worry about nobody even knowing this is a sewing cabinet because you close that up right there and just like that. And this is the, let me read on here because I don't be knowing. Okay, so this right here is the Best Choice Products Folding, Sewing, and Craft Table. So yeah, that's what it is right here. Y'all see? Just what I said. So it's right here. Boom. So this y'all, I can't wait to do some sewing videos for y'all, for the people with this right here. Y'all like what I'm doing over here? Y'all want to get into sewing? I'm helping y'all out with everything y'all doing, business wise, t-shirt and sewing wise. You know, give your girl a thumbs up. Follow your girl on Instagram, TshirtChick TV. And subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on my future videos. And I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in another video. You want to do the outro, son? He said he don't want to do it today. Y'all missed it. If y'all didn't see him in the last one, y'all can go check him out. But I'll see you in another video. Prince Squad out.